everybody on the Pro Forum. So what I wanted to talk about today, just for a little bit, with more and more people buying drones and that type of stuff, you're going to get into the situation where you travel with it. So what if you go somewhere where you have to get on an airplane with your drone? There's no carrying that puppy on. Now, if you get one of the smaller ones, maybe like the Phantom 3 or one of those, they do make a backpack that, to be honest with you, I think would actually fit into the carry-on section. But now, if you got other camera gear and all this other stuff, becomes a bit of a problem. So, of course, with all of this stuff that we do, they make Pelican cases and they make, all this kinds of crazy stuff. All of it, though, to me, screams, steal me, steal me. Does this suitcase look like steal me? No, it's just a regular, boring suitcase with wheels. In fact, you can get this exact suitcase from Walmart for a whopping $79. And they're at every Walmart, all right? Now let me open it up just to show you what this thing looks like inside. Because you can tell from just picking it up how light it was. Now, look at this. This is my DJI Inspire 1 case that fits perfectly inside of this suitcase. Take the suitcase away, and you have your Inspire case. And inside of your Inspire case, of course, what you do is you keep the stuff, the big stuff. You keep like the drone itself. You pull your props and things that are not really expensive or stealable. Take your battery out, take your transmitter out, take your camera out, take your battery charger out, take your batteries out, take all these things out, just leave behind the drone itself, which is ridiculously light, by the way, and some props. That's it. Take everything and put it in your camera bag, and you take that camera bag and you put that on the plane. So there you go. Hope that's a cool trick for somebody for traveling with these things. I just did it, and it worked fantastic. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.